Galaxy S25. Ultra's rounded design expresses a unified identity for the Galaxy S series. With its sleek and strong titanium frame and a built-in S Pen, it's an ultra-modern vision of bold design. Ring in the next era of mobile AI with an AI companion who's one step ahead of your every need. Just let natural conversation guide the way to checking off everyday tasks with ease. Seamlessly complete your tasks without having to switch between various apps. Simply press and hold the side button to access Google Gemini for help, and it'll take care of things in one go. Have free-flowing conversation with Gemini Live to brainstorm ideas or prepare for presentations by attaching images and getting real-time responses that adapt to your conversation style. Our most advanced AI Pro Visual Engine 3. Our next-gen Pro Visual Engine is now boosted by our powerful processor, allowing you to capture, view, and edit for our best camera and editing experience yet. 15.